Hello, everyone. I hope you've been enjoying the show so far. The previous panels were definitely super insightful. Kudos to all the speakers and, of course, the host. And by the way, my name is Michał.
And my name is Radek, and I also hope you enjoyed the event. Together with Michał, we work at the retail innovation team at Netguru.
Yeah, great to have you with me today, Radek. I believe these days everyone, or at least everyone who came here today, knows that generative AI is the next big thing, and this trend will change the landscape of technology forever. A few months back, some might have said that's a hype or a toy that comes and goes eventually, but recently we have seen so many great use cases, so we have zero doubts that GenAI will stick with us for a very, very long time.
Yeah, I don't doubt this as well. And as you said, there are many great use cases on the market that prove AI can be a great efficiency booster, especially in retail, in my opinion. So maybe let's talk about it for a while.
Yeah, definitely. Let's do that. So there are a couple of well-known brands that already introduced a few solutions based on GenAI. So you can see their logos on the screen. So for instance, Zalando recently has launched a virtual try-on that enables customers to receive size recommendations based on their unique body measurements. Thanks to that, the company has already reduced size-related returns by 10% compared to items without size advice, which I believe is the holy grail for every e-commerce company.
Yes, exactly. And what Zalando is tackling here is a big challenge. However, Amazon, on the other hand, uses generative AI algorithms to deliver personalized product recommendations. And hear me, they attribute a whopping 35% of total purchase to those recommendations, which is amazing.
Have you ever bought anything, Radek, on Amazon based on such a
Yeah,
recommendation?
I think like a week ago, maybe.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
What was that?
a book. I think a book. Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about it later on. But last but not least, Farfetch. As far as I know, there's quite a crowd of Farfetchers here, so high five to you guys. By leveraging AI, Farfetch enables its boutique partners and brands to seamlessly connect their online inventory with their physical stores, facilitating services such as click and collect and in-store returns.
Yes, that's all sounds really amazing, and we're looking forward to seeing more cases proving AI's significance and significant business impact. And as Netguru being a software consultancy, it's always we always watching the latest trends and experimenting with those, and we try to innovate and we try to build innovation that could serve our clients.
Exactly. And along with our R&D team, we've been playing around with various concepts and came up with a few products aimed for retailers. So it could be a virtual try-on or image generation for food delivery companies, to name a few. But given a limited time today, we decided to focus on our flagship product, which is a generated product description for e-commerce. So Radek,
Yes,
take it
and
away.
yeah, and I have a short demo for you, everyone. Let me just jump into it. This is how we actually imagine that the product description generator could work and could be integrated with the existing systems. So what you see here is basically an overlay over some kind of system that you already have. It could be your already built-in e-commerce product information management system on some external SaaS product, for example. This generator can also be a standalone product as well. But what you see here is basically that you can generate a single product description, select the product first, select the attributes you want to include into the description. So here we have color, size, brand, but depending on the category, that could be different. We can select main language here, English, and we can automate the generation for other languages as well. There's also possibility to add keywords for SEO, just to optimize the search engine and the position in the results. And this is basically how it works. The description is generated. This is the first version you can see. and you can decide whether you like it or not, make it shorter, make it different, make it sound different, or just edit by hand. And what's really interesting, once you're satisfied with the description for the single product, we can automate the entire process for the entire category. So each, for example, dress in the category can have a generated description. So if you have 100 dresses, we can generate the remaining 99 descriptions here right now at one click, basically, and then save those descriptions immediately, or just review them, check everything. If we are satisfied, then save, update, and basically move on. Yes. Summarizing the tool, we believe that this kind of tools should be as flexible as possible. So it should this product, the description generator, should actually be relevant for different product categories, not just dresses, as I shown, but for other categories like electronics, for example, or outdoor wear, shoes, etc. It should be generating the descriptions relevant to given markets, geographies, including multiple languages and translations. We also believe that those kind of tools needs to be tech agnostic so that everyone can use it, depending on whether you want to have this integrated into e-commerce platform or product information management system, or just have a standalone software to do that. And that means that this also is a bespoke solution. It's tailored to the needs of your business and market, and just basically we can fit it with different, for example, large language models underneath this.
Oh yeah, thanks Radek for this. And there's actually many positive business outcomes coming from such a solution that we see. And yeah, let's talk about some. So the content is being created quickly. AI ensures consistency in product descriptions, maintaining the same tone and style throughout the product repository. Search engine visibility is also enhanced through keyword optimization, and there is no limit in regards to language of your content. So either it's German, English, Polish, Arabic, you name it, AI could be your best friend here. And grammar and vocabulary mistakes can happen to all of us, humans, but not to AI. And last but not least, such tools can ensure that product descriptions adhere to accessibility standards, which Shane was emphasizing on in the previous panel, making content inclusive and compatible with assistive technologies. Yeah, and for a couple of months, we've been validating this product with a few e-commerce partners. Companies having more or less 100,000 SKUs in their inventory. And this data is actually well above our initial expectations. So what we know that based on, of course, insights from our early adopters, number of descriptions generated weekly can grow by 75%, a single description cost dropped by 47%, and the full ROI will be achieved in more or less 2 years.
Yes, and this is like great results, and it varies for different companies, but this was just one example how AI can help you, and we wish to be able to talk more about other examples, as Michał previously said, but regretfully our time is up. However, we are happy to catch you on LinkedIn and just DM us. We are open to discuss this idea or even like make a private demo or anything like that.
Absolutely. Feel free to hit us up. And if there are any live questions, just put them in the chat and we will reply right away. So thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the Disruption Forum.
Thank you.
Get ready for the next amazing panel.
Yeah, thank you.